Dogs breed quiz.
Which dog breed is this? Option B, French Bulldog. What about this one? Option A, Labrador Retriever. I am sure you know this one. Option B, Golden Retriever. What about this one? Option A, Poodle. Good job so far. Let's make it tough for you. Which dog breed is this? Option B, Bulldog. Can you name this one? Option B, Beagle. Only an expert can tell the last one. Option C, Rottweiler. Challenge for you. Which dog breed is this? Comment your score, like the video, and subscribe for more interesting trivia.